Hi everyone, welcome to the series where we will cover all the visualizations that you can use to analyze your data better. So whenever we look at data, visuals are very important, and two really common ones that we see in everyday life is a bar chart and a histogram. They kind of look similar because of the bars, but they're actually different and they tell very different stories. So we'll just quickly break it down, what's the difference between the two and when is the appropriate situation to use which graph, right? So first up, the bar chart. We can think of a bar chart like when you want to compare things between different groups or categories. The key here is the categorical value. A categorical variable is just something that falls into distinct groups like sales of different regions, east, west, north, south, or the number of students in different majors, or maybe your favorite ice cream flavor. So each bar represent a separate category, and the height of the bar shows the value of that particular category, like maybe total sales or maybe the number of people within that category. So the bars in a bar chart have spaces between them because the categories are distinct. Now let's just talk about histogram. These look like bar charts, but the bars usually touch, and that's the big clue. Histograms are used to show the distribution of continuous data. So, continuous data is stuff that can take any value within a particular range. So, like people's height, or maybe exam score, or a customer's age. What a histogram does is it groups this continuous data into ranges, which we also call them bins. So, for example, if we are looking at customers' age, so the bins might be from 20 to 25 years of age, then 25 to 30, 31 to 35. All these ranges will constitute as bins. So the height of each bar in the histogram then show how many data points fall into that specific bin. So it's showing us the frequency distribution and how often values occur within those ranges. You can see if most of your customers are young or if their ages are spread out. So the main takeaway here is that bar charts are for comparing distinct groups or categories of categorical values, like comparing apples and oranges. While histogram are for understanding the shape and spread of continuous data, showing how frequently values fall into different bins or intervals, like looking at the range of sizes for all these apples. Knowing which one to use is super important, as because picking the wrong one can make your data confusing or even misleading. So next time you see bars, check if they are a bar chart or a histogram, like if they're comparing separate groups or if it's telling a story about some frequency distribution or ranges, so you know that then that time it's a histogram. Hope this video would have cleared your doubt regarding when to use a bar chart or a histogram. I'll see you in next video with some more visualization tools. So keep studying till then.